Another hot day here in Arkansas, and another day back working on the van. Let's get going on this. So first things first, on these panels, I go through and I just figure out how I want them to be placed, the measurements, and then I come with my line. So I'm going to start here. So start with a hole saw, 1 inch. I think I'm doing 1.1/8" hole saw. And what you want to do first, like especially with some plywood, is you want to drill in, but you don't want to start drilling in all the way with the hole saw. You want to go backwards, because if you start doing the whole way, the hole saw is just so rough that it'll start ripping this plywood up. It'll start ripping the plywood. So if you go backwards, you drill a hole, smooth hole, and then therefore you can go back the right way, and it just won't rip the plywood. So that's what we're gonna do first. I'm gonna come through and drill holes here, like on both ends. And then we're gonna come and make my straight lines. I'll come with my jigsaw, cut it. Then I'll come with the route everything. Then I'll come with the sander, When you drill holes and you don't want, you're using a hole saw, and you don't want it to splinter on the backside, what you do is you drill onto a scrap piece of wood. So therefore, it just acts like it's continuing to drill. Drill forwards, then go reverse. Backwards makes it smooth. Got my lines marked out. Now I can go with the jigsaw, cut along those lines, drop it all down. So let's go ahead and do that. Start the routing. So I'm gonna go through, route all of these. Then I've got to route my edges. And I've got a 1/4 inch round over. Like I said, we'll flip it and it'll just be nice, one seamless curve.
How it all shakes out.
Ball player, hard working, everything you would want. And just like that, everything has coat. All the walls have coat on the back sides. Obviously, I'm still letting this dry. This still needs coat on the underside. So this is drying. Let that dry. Like a heat baby? I don't know what a heat baby is. You're hot? Okay, we'll go play. Go play. Away from here. Away from here. Like a heat baby.